Guys, what's up? I'm so excited to give you an inside look at the screener. This thing helps you find stocks before they explode, stocks that match the return that you want to get, and stocks that match your risk tolerance level, all in a simple click of a button. So let me walk you through it right now. Again, the screener is still in beta. Although it's awesome, we are still trying to improve it and make it the best screener ever on the market right now. So for instance, you can search by a great buy, which is different than a normal buy because a great buy means that the stock price is currently within the optimal buy range. So we're looking for a great buy. We can also search in between price levels. So let's say I want to look for a certain price. I can go, let's say 1 to 100. And then we can pick our accuracy, which is the percentage chance that we actually make money on this stock. Our last change, which is when it became a great buy. We can look for 5 days ago or whatever we want to look for. We can look for risk to reward, the average hold time, your profit potential greater than 20%, greater than 15%. Same thing for your loss, your dividend yield, your market cap, your volume, and all those other amazing things. You can also search different markets as well. So let's just do a quick search right here. As you can see, we pulled up 659 results. We can sort by what we care about most. For instance, we can click at Wells Fargo. If we want to get a more in-depth view of this stock, we can just click on it and it takes us straight to the analyzer page for it. And you can see here, Wells Fargo is a great buy, and you can read more on this stock. And the stock analyzer, the stock screener is so awesome because it helps you pinpoint stocks and it's updated every single day. So you have the most accurate results. All right, guys, this is the screener. It works for additional markets as well. I hope you're excited. We are continuing to improve this and make it better. So guys, this is the screener. It helps you pinpoint stocks with accuracy, and it saves you so much time because you no longer have to search a bunch of random stocks, but find exactly what you're looking for. This is awesome, and I really hope you take advantage of it.